Blender is a complete modeling and animation software. Thus, it has a wide variety of shortcuts and commands that speed up the creation process a lot. Unfortunately, many users do not use most of these functions and end up losing this practicality. So I created the material, Complete Guide to Shortcuts and Commands. This ebook is updated to the latest Blender versions. If you are a beginner or advanced level, this material will help you a lot. In it, you will find shortcuts and commands for interface, archive, selection, navigation, visualization, object mode, edit mode, transformation, sculpt mode, animation, and render. It is complete and extremely organized. In addition, it has an index for you to navigate quickly and simply. Enjoy, and buy your copy now for the promotional price before you run out.